In this video, I'm about to show you how to use TikTok Analytics to plan future content. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Account and then select Switch to Business Account. Tap on Next and continue tapping on Next multiple times until you reach the category selection. Choose a category that best fits your content and tap on Next again. You will then have the option to enter your email address, but you can skip this step if you prefer. Finally, tap on Visit Business Suites to access your TikTok Analytics. With your business account set up, you can now use TikTok Analytics to plan your future content. Check metrics like views, likes, and engagement rates to see what types of posts perform best. This information will help you tailor your content strategy and create posts that resonate more with your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.